you getting the crackers. Daddy gotta open them for you, okay? Hey y'all, good morning. We're at the airport. Bria's having a hard time for whatever reason. So, yeah, she wants her crackers. As usual, her Ritz crackers. But yeah, we got here around 8. It is 9:31 and our flight's supposed to leave at 10:12. So we're here early, or we got here early enough. Security wasn't all that bad, so that's a great thing. So yeah, we are on our way and we are excited. Bria was up at 4:30 this morning. I'm not 100% sure what for, but she was up early, so hopefully she'll fall asleep on the plane, but we shall see. Anyways, those are all the updates I have for now. I'm tired. Have a little bit of a headache, but we're pushing through. Your tablet fell on the floor. And crackers fell on the floor. And crayons. Just pick up the crayons. Yeah, there you go. But yeah. Booty boo. Boogie nose. Oh my gosh. I gotta get some tissue. But yeah, so those are all the updates I have. I'll check in with y'all when we get to our destination. Bye. Hey y'all, long time no see. So I don't know if y'all can see Brian and Bria back there, and Harmony is ahead of me, but we are walking to the big blue pool. I did not have a chance to check in with y'all when we first arrived here because it was a lot. Our room was ready early, thank goodness, and we checked in, dropped our stuff. Harmony, that way. We checked in, put our stuff down for a minute, rested, changed our clothes, and then we had a dinner reservation at Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast. So yeah, we had dinner reservations at the Rainforest Cafe in Disney Springs, and now we're back at our resort, about to have a little evening at the pool. So yeah, I'm tired, y'all. I'm on the struggle bus already, and we literally just got here. So I don't know what, but I don't know if it's the recycled air from the plane, but my throat hurts a little bit. So I'm gonna try my best to get in front of that before it gets worse. But anyways, we about to get in this pool, so I'll check in with y'all tomorrow for our first official park day. Bye.